Hello and welcome to the Dreaming with Your Higher Self Reiki Infused guided meditation. This meditation can be found on page 141 inside Chakras and Their Archetypes by Ambika Waters. Go ahead and find a comfortable seated position if you haven't already, and close your eyes. As you're sitting comfortably, start taking some deep breaths. Perhaps breathing in to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 4. Slowing your mind down and feeling more and more comfortable as we go. And as you drift into a meditative state, allow yourself to imagine your life as you would truly like it to be. You may wish to see yourself walking in a beautiful place in nature, surrounded by a group of people or a person you deeply love. It may be a friend or a lover, or just a group of people you feel strongly connected with. Feel relaxed and comfortable with yourself. Now, if you don't know anyone with whom you feel you would like to be with, then imagine that there is someone you can feel completely at one with, and whom it is a pleasure to be around with. Now imagine that you feel happy, healthy, and fit. You feel loved and supported by everyone around you. You know you have everything you need to be fulfilled. There is enough love, support, and money to do the things you enjoy. You have the time and energy to complete everything you want in life. You are thankful for all the good in your life. If there is anything you need, you can create it with your imagination now in your meditation. Focus on letting yourself feel deeply satisfied and happy. And as you start to integrate back into your body, remember, the more positive your attitude to life is, the more happiness and joy you will manifest all around you. That in and of itself will help you heal, and at the same time, it will also allow everyone around you to begin or continue to heal as well. Wiggle your toes and your fingertips and open your eyes whenever you're ready.